We are 4 ACP cycles with a 2005 Gsxr 750. Just going to do a quick walk around. This bike is available for part out. Here's a few things we already taken off. Is the headlight, the front and back seat, the fairings. Some of the bodywork is beat up a little bit, but I do want to show you that the bike runs and starts. ECU works, fuel pump works, shifts through all 6 gears, no abnormal noises. 21,000 on the odometer. Upper stay is broke, nose is broke, so I think these are aftermarket fairings to begin with, but we'll find out when we take it apart. So let me just go back around. All of these parts will be available on our eBay store, which you can reach by going to 4acp.com. So here we go. I'm going to start it up. So you can see upper stay's broke, that's why it's laying here, and the glass is broke on the speedometer. So there's 21,128 miles, and I'll fire it up for you. No alarms or codes, everything sounds normal, no abnormal noises on the motor, no leaks. Everything sounds good. And I'll load for all 6 gears, so you can see the bike goes for all gears, no problem. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth, 6th gear. And down to neutral. So again, any parts that you need, they can be found on our website, 4acp.com. Thank you very much.